guys, welcome back to Tech Wonderland. I hope you are all doing well. And our today's topic is AR model. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of all my further videos. Now, without any delay, let's start our today's video. Our today's topic is AR model. AR model is a entity relationship model. So E for entity and R for relationship. This is a entity relationship model. Okay. The ER model is a logical view, or we can say conceptual view of a database system. ER model is a perception of real world, means we will convert some real world examples into ER model. This ER model has three components, which are: first one is entity, second is attributes, and third is relationship. Okay, so ER model is a logical view. Okay, remember it is a logical view and it has three components, that is entity, attribute and relationship. Now what is an entity? For that, let's take an simple example. If we say student is an entity, okay, let's draw an entity first. Here, suppose student is an entity. We will represent entity in a rectangular box. Remember this. Now, student will have its name, right? Then we will have his date of birth. Also, we will have his roll number. Then let's say age and address. Okay, so here our student is entity and the name, date of birth, roll number, age, address, these all are attributes of the student, means something which describes students. Okay, so every entity has some attribute. Let's take another example. Here we will draw another entity and his attribute. Okay, so let's take another entity, be employee. An employee will have his name, the company in which he is working, his employee ID, his salary. Okay, here employee is our new entity and the name, company, employee ID, salary, these all are his attributes. So this is how we will describe the entity and attribute, and I hope you understand what is entity and what are attributes. Okay, now this entity can be of two types, that is, first is physical and second is conceptual. Physical entity can be a person, car, or something which has physical existence like employee. Okay, and conceptual entity can be a job or a course. Here, why this is physical and why these are conceptual? We can see person, car, employee, right? We can see car has how many tires, what model it is, but can we see a job? How job look like? It is just a concept, it is not a physical thing. So that's why entity can be physical and conceptual, and both physical and conceptual entity have attributes. Okay, now let's draw entity and attributes for the course. Okay, the course is our entity here. So a course will have his name, then course ID, then fees of the course and the timing of the course. Okay, so here course is a conceptual entity and these are his attributes. So we have seen here both physical and conceptual entity. Now let's see relationship. Suppose there are two entities which are, one is teacher and another one is student. Okay. Now teacher will have his own attributes like his name, then his subject, which subject he is teaching, then let's say age, and student will have his own attribute which are student name, his roll number, his address. Okay, so here are two entities, one is teacher and another is student, and teacher have his own attributes and student have his own attributes. So the connection between teacher and student, that is the connection between two entities, is known as a relationship. We can draw the relationship like this diamond. Here we will write teaches. So teacher teaches some subject to student. So teacher and student are connected through this relationship, and this is known as relationship. Okay. Another example is student is one entity and course is another entity. Here student is physical entity and course is conceptual entity. Student will have his own attributes, something name, id, etc., and course will have his own id, name, and we can say course time. Then the association between these two different entities, we will say the student enrolled in course. So students and course, these entities are connected by enrolled in relationship. Okay. Another example can be a person watch TV. Just like this means the relationship is the connection between two entities having some attributes. So I hope you understand what is entity, what is attribute, and what a relationship. Entity is something which has physical or logical existence, and entity has some attributes. Okay, and two entities had some relationship. So using these we draw entity relationship diagram where entity and relationship between various entities is shown. I hope you understand all the terms, and if you have any query then please comment below. I will answer them. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you like my video. Then please hit one like and also subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in next video. Till then, take care and bye.